You have grown 27 kilos of ganja in your backyard.
I have to probably convey it in a different way. 27 kilos
How
of
did you-
ganja, lad. Ganja, my lords, is only that fruiting top and leaves. That is separated, and that is 27 kgs. I have grown 27 kgs of ganja, as your lordship said. Illi root to stem ella ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, if they wait, they cannot call it
So
ganja.
your defense is you have not grown, somebody has thrown?
It has grown by natural process.
Yes.
Well, that is a factual ground. I am not going solely on that.
So how do you determine those facts? Investigation ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
Investigation is over. Charge sheet is filed.
ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
All that they say is the property belongs to me. Therefore, I have cultivated. That is not sufficient. Cultivation.
Sir, ownership goes by possession. Yes.
And he's staying there.
Huh?
He's staying there.
That's what it is. He owns
don't
the
dispute.
property. You don't own the backyard.
I do own, my lords, but it is just left like that. He's a 67-year-old man. Even if
ಅರೆ
Allah.
marijuanaಗೆ ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಿ.
Yes, even after growing it, my lords, there should be some other allegation saying that I was consuming it, I was doing something else. There is no such allegation. What was I doing even after cultivating it? My lords, may kindly, I have marked it, my lords.
What is seized is ganja ಸೊಪ್ಪು.
Charge sheet ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ.
But it also includes stems, roots, and seeds. It is pointed out that
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will include this in greens.
Sorry, my lords.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಸ್.
Please.
Oh, passion. Ganja growing is a passion. You said it by cross pollination it has come.
Cross-pollination, Allah.
I asked you this question.
No,
It's a concrete jungle. Where from you will get cross pollination?
pollination. See, when seeds, my lords, are thrown away by somebody.
Where seeds are ganja seeds are thrown away somebody.
Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. I don't, my lords, I am not going behind how it is grown to that extent. My lords, I am not behind, my lords, how they grew, because it is grown
It is in your backyard, sir.
My lords, I do not. That is the
You don't know.
Allah. Supreme Court, my lords, would say that if there are only few plants and it may have come up by natural process, cultivation cannot be attributed to me.
Absolutely no problem. If it were to be an area where natural process would yield such things.
My lords, if somebody has thrown the seeds, and my lords, they have weighed the roots and stem as well. Stems, everything. It had to, my lords, that is what is the observation here.
Yeah, that is settled principles.
Please.
That we'll see. Then now there is a change in thinking of the Supreme Court.
That is only insofar as leaves when accompanied by tops. Stems and roots, my lords, remains unchanged.
But 27 kilos.
ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 27 ಅಲ್ಲ, it could have become 47 also.
No, I think you have given good manure to it. It has grown so much, yielded so much
Goes to
ganja.
the root of the matter, my lords, because the quantity.
I am also talking of the root.
Exactly,
only.
root goes to the root of the matter because the determination of quantity, whether it is small, intermediate, or
ಅದೇ ಗಾಂಜಾ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ.
that day I said there is a bachelor pad, they would have done something over there. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇದು. This is a fair submission. I am not saying cross pollination because I don't even know how ganja pollinates. They would have thrown
the process
the seeds.
is called cross pollination when it comes through air and falls.
So the seeds have fallen. That is what my instructions are. And it is a probability. I'm not going behind that. And I have not cultivated it. And my lord,
And if you have let it to grow to the size of a tree, the very smell of it you will know.
Allah, if I have never smelled ganja ever, my lords.
Some unusual smell you will get, sir.
Allah, it is in my backyard. I'm accustomed. That is what the Supreme Court also says.
Put it, whatever you want to give.
Second page, my lords, placitum F. There is no evidence that the appellant cultivated these ganja plants. Having regard to the extent of the property and the number of plants recovered from that property, it cannot be said that these plants had been a result of cultivation. They may have sprouted there by natural process, and the appellant or anybody who is the owner of the property must not have been diligent in destroying the plants. There is no evidence to prove that there was cultivation of ganja plants by the appellant. I am not diligent. I accept. I do not know. But my lords, two technical aspects, my lords. Cultivation is an active process. Mens rea has to be attached to it. I should have cultivated it.
NDPS.
If at all I had the intention, why should I stop at even 5?
Oh, you could have.
Yes,
No,
exactly.
no. They have stopped you with that. Illandre you would have grown.
It has grown
Well,
to
jaga
27
ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ
kgs. They kept
ಜಾಗ
quiet
ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ
until then.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಜಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟ. So entire backyard you have covered.
Illa. There was a lot of other space left as well. That is one technical aspect. Second is they have weighed the stems and the roots. That cannot be considered as ganja. And on that basis, my lords, they have said it is commercial quantity.
27 kgs.
Exactly, my lords, with all those other things which are not ganja.
In fact,
Where is the pictures?
inventory is also there.
Inventory ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
My records is there.
And my lords, also, it was the wet weight.
ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. They said bag was sealed. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, everything is there. Seized property, white bag containing ganja produced, and before the magistrate.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in my court, the bag is weighing about 8.770 kgs, including bag. Perus sealed bag sounds 300 grams, including cloth bag. Is taken out of the bag, packed and sealed in same. Total weight of sealed sample is 300 grams. Handed over to FSL. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು cloth bag containing remaining ganja after removing everything is 8.4708 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8.5 kilograms of ganja.
Let's kindly come to page 23.
I am seeing the FSL report.
They call
ಎಲ್ಲ
it
ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು
the seizure, what they have done, what they have effected to say 27 kilos is at page 23 of my petition.
ಹಸಿ ಗಿಡ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಣಗಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ
Now,
ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
nowhere do they say, my lord, that we have.
that is what is said, sir.
Kindly come to page 23.
Anything else
23, my lords.
of petition?
My petition.
Petition ಇಲ್ಲದ? Yes.
26 kgs, 86. The first one which is seized. PFL. 26 kg, 860 grams. Root, stem, leaf, and buds, including plastic bag. Lords, they cannot include.
What is the commercial quantity?
20
20
kilos.
20 kilos.
Please. Kindly come to the definition, my lords, of ganja. Says
Under the act that I have seen. Yes.
flowering tops, if it is accompanied by the leaves, even leaves get included. Nowhere does it, my lord, say that
ಇದಿರ್ಲಿ.
stem and roots also can be considered as a part of ganja in order to determine the commercial quantity. And that is what, my lords, the coordinate bench has held when it comes to quashing the entire proceedings under the very same provision.
Take note of the coordinate bench. List them heard the learned counsel bearing for the petitioner and the learned additional SPP. Stay at
Trial
5,
will continue.
at 4:45 p.m. Yes.
Trial will continue otherwise. That's technical grounds.
I want to dictate on that day. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ further hearing
ಅಲ್ಲ, until then, my lords,
ಯಾಕೆ 4 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
if it does not reach, my lord, then the trial will.
Don't worry if it does not reach. We will finish it that day.